Guys, it's very windy today. I heard a loud boom. I was watching TV and it was a trash bag. It bumped in or knocked into something. So we decided to record. I heard a voice. It was probably in my head or someone screaming for no reason. It's getting windier. The winds could be up to 30, but I literally stopped when we recorded. Because when I stopped recording, 5 seconds after, it got way windier. Is it going to get windy? It's a very windy day. Oh, and also if the comments are on this video, a comment on what should I draw next on the Jaden animation video. Yeah. It's getting a little more windier. Look at that plant. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. American flag is going crazy. And also, sometimes you're barking at night. What is that dog? I usually look out a window because I don't like dogs. I don't want a dog to see me because it'll bark. And it's a collie dog. And it's a 93, so have a go in soon. Okay, well, I guess I won't stop. Wait here. Oh, trees are going crazy. It should be here soon. Since a wind going this way. I guess not. Okay. And also comment down what should I draw next if comments are even on. But if I make another video of the comments on, comment down below, please. And also, I hope you can have a nice day. Peace out. Woo! I'm just going to put a short description. I'm a little tired today. Yeah, you'll feel it sometimes.